Hello guys, for our last topic, we will gonna talk about contemporary Philippine architecture. So contemporary Philippine architecture is a pluralistic approach toward design. So the Philippines 2000 compelled the production of global architecture in the Philippines. So global trends in architectural style. So Philippines 2000, an economic program launched by former President Ramos, which aimed to elevate the nation to the status of a newly industrialized country by the start of the new millennium. So, the World Trade Exchange in Binondo, Manila, which is designed by Michael Graves. So, Michael Graves, sikat na siya nga international architect. Then, the Essentia Tower in Taguig, Metro Manila, which is designed by IMP. Also, famous international architect. Then, the Pacific Plaza Tower in Taguig City, which is designed by architect Tonica. Westin Times Square Hotel in New York, and SM MOA Arena, SMX, Convention Center, Mega Mall Expansion, SM Aura Premier, and SM City North EDSA. So ang ilang partner architects is Recio plus Casas Architects, or the AOR. Then the RCBC Plaza is also the Yochenko Tower in Ayala Avenue, Makati. So this is designed by SOM, and their local partners is during construction is WB, Coscolwela and Associates, and AOR. So guys, pwede ka-design ang international architects. Sa aton nga law sa aton nga law sa RA 9266, pwede ka-design ang international architects sa land sa Philippines. Pero dapat may ara sila nga local partners nga architect nga registered diri sa aton. So muna, mga sikat nga architect gakuha sila gyapon sang partner diri sa Philippines para maka-design sila sang building. So like sang amo ni ah, sa Arquitectonica ginkuha nila si Rocio and Casas, si SOM sa RCBC ginkuha nila si William Coscolwela and Associates. Then there comes the high-tech architecture, the new multinational style. Fascination with cutting-edge technology and slick machine iconography, cybertopia inspired, often sleek and adorned in industrial facade. So the SOM, which is where they designed the PBCom Tower and Ayala Avenue, Makati City, the tallest office building in the Philippines. So Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, John Hancock Center in Burj Khalifa. So muna ang ilang mga ginpang design pagit. And their partners is GF and Partners Architect. So the KPF, and they designed the GT International Tower in Makati City. So KPF is Con, Penderson, and Fox. Amo na siyang meaning sa KPF. Ang SOM gali, amo man to meaning ya. Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill. So that is SOM. So ang local partners ng KPF during construction sa GT International Tower is GF and Partners and Architects. Then the NAIA Terminal 3, which is designed by SOM. Ang bag-o, Terminal 3. So medyo modern na siya sa interior. Then there comes the deconstruction, exaggerating contradiction and geometric composition, and the quality of being dismantled with no visual logic and unharmonious composition of the facade. So, the DLSU CSB School of Fine Arts and Design, Manila. It is designed by Eduardo Calma. So, quick recap: contemporary, pluralistic design approach, global architecture, global trends in style, high-tech deconstructivism, green architecture. So, gin-adapt na. So, asa subong, amo na siyang gina-adapt naton. Green architecture, modern design, high-tech. So, that is contemporary. So, kung sa iba nga design, may ara gyapon nga neoclassical, may ara gyapon nga classical, and modern, may contemporary, may ano ni siya tawag, may ano pa yung iba nga design. May nalipas ako. So that ends our module. So this modules is courtesy of Architect Dayan Ancheta. So amo na siya ang iyang Gmail. So thank you good madam for lending me your module. So that ends our lessons. So good luck sa inyong good luck sa inyong nga final exam. So ma-quick recap kita sa aton yung mga lessons. So the module 1, we focuses on history of architecture. Then for module 2, the Philippine architecture. Module 3, the pre-Spanish period. Then the Spanish period, then the American period, then the post-war period, the Marcosian, and the last one is the contemporary Philippine architecture. So that's all, guys.